Solar home appliances, solution for water heating, solar water geyser. JIADELE, new tankless compact high-pressure solar water heating system, 150L chauffe. CE Solar bathroom with CE Solar Keymark. Quality Primacy pressurized superconducting heat pipe vacuum tube rooftop, split solar water heater. China's solar water heater, calentadores solares de agua, precios, termotanques solares. L 60, L 100, L 200, L 300, L insulated hot water tank for heat pump water heaters and solar boiler. A R290 multifunctional SG-ready system geyser converter, hot water use heat pump water heater. CCC certificated stainless steel solar water heater. Factory price separate pressurized solar hot water heater energy, hot water system direct split pressurized solar water heater. Evacuated tubes solar water heaters, hot water stainless steel, 304 inner tank OEM, 12300 liters. Rooftop non-pressurized evacuated tube Hyman solar water heater. New hot Mexico solar water heater.